Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use InVideo for beginners. First of all, open your browser. Now type in your browser InVideo. Hit enter. Now go to the website. Now once you're at the website, you will have to sign up. Now after signing up, you can create YouTube shorts, videos and other stuff from InVideo, which is an online video editor. You can create videos from pre-made templates, you can use text to video, you can use stock media in your video footage, and you can also use the editor. Now on the left side here, you will see your projects. Now in the trash window right here, you will see all your deleted projects right here. Now in the team members menu, you will have to invite your team members and you can see them here. We're just gonna skip it for now. So now we're gonna create a video using a pre-made template. So I'm just gonna click on this templates button right here. Now once you're in the templates window, you can scroll down on the left side here and you can choose from different filters. For example, how you want the template to be. You want it to be landscape. I'm just gonna choose landscape. Scroll down and you can select the type as well. For example, you want a video for your promos, ads, listicles, slideshow, sales and offers, greeting, motion posters and stuff. You can also choose the industry. For example, events and holidays, fashion, e-commerce, travel, real estate, technology and stuff. Well, I will select, let's say, sales and offers, and I will go for events and holidays. So here it has given me tons of pre-made templates according to my filters. Now I'm going to choose any one of them, like let's say I'm going to go for this one. So just click on this. Now after clicking, this window right here will open. Now you can choose the aspect ratio from here. I'm just going to leave it a landscape and click on use template. Now on the left side of the editor, you will have your uploaded media. You can just click on this upload media button here and click on browse here, and you can upload different types of photos from here. You will have your stock videos and this videos tab here, which you can use in your video. You can also have the stock images, the music you can use different types of text, typography and stuff. You can upload your logo and also use it in your video as well. You can try out different elements like stickers, shapes, overlays, and you can also try out some different templates as well. Now you can fully customize each scene of your pre-made template. For example, I want to change this, let's say the text of this Happy Labor Day here. So I'm just gonna click on it and click on edit right here. And this edit text window will open right here. So I'm just gonna, let's say shopping sale. Hit enter and it will be edited onto this. Now you can also change the font of the text from here. Just click on it and you can choose from tons of fonts here. You can change the font size as well. You can make the text bold, you can make it italic, you can make the text underlined. You can change the text color from here as well. Let's say I'm gonna click on this colors here. I'm gonna move it to, let's say, black. You can adjust the spacing, the alignment, and the position of the text as well. You can also add some text effects. Just clicking on this button here, you can change the text parent fill, you can change the text shadow, and you can also add animations to the text. Now on the right side here, you will have all the elements that are in that particular scene. For example, if I go to the second scene here, these are the elements. For example, the phone cases, the 50% off text, and the media, the image. And also, if you move to the third and fourth scenes respectively, you will see the elements. For example, this text was used, this text was used, and this photo right here was used. You can also adjust the length of each of the scenes. For example, let's say I don't want it to be 6 seconds. I want it to be, let's say, much smaller. So I'm just gonna move it there. You can also do the same for others. For example, I'm just gonna leave it at 5 seconds. 5. You can do the same to the others one as well. For example, this one is 3.14 seconds. I'm just gonna increase it a bit. I'm gonna increase this one right here to, let's say, 4 seconds right here. You can also add a different scene and use whole lots of videos and images to create another scene if you want to. Now, if you want to add your own voiceover to the video, just click on this voiceover button right here, and you can either create a voiceover, import from uploads, and upload your voiceover file, and you can even record your voiceover. And as I told earlier, you can use the music provided by InVideo in your video as well. Now, after you're done with the video, just click on this export button right here. But unfortunately, in order to export your video, you will have to upgrade. So that's pretty much it, and that's how beginners can use InVideo. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.